Hi friends, today we are going to talk about MOSFET transistors, and we are going to know how to test them and to know about the different types of them. So to be quick, we are going to talk about the name of that transistor, MOSFET. What is the meaning of MOSFET? The meaning of MOSFET states on metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. There are transistors that made from semiconductors materials. And today we are going to talk specially on MOSFETs that are NPN types. So there are other types which are PNP and MOSFET chips. Here we have some types of MOSFETs, and there are so many, but here we have different types of different MOSFETs, and we have two types especially of MOSFETs that are PNP and NPN, but here we have MOSFETs which are NPN. We are going to learn how to test them and how to use them. MOSFETs are commonly used nowadays from power electronics, so that there are power components. They are used, for example, in C.B.S, especially named mode C.B.S, especially named switching mode power supply. And here we have a motherboard of a computer, and here we have a MOSFET which has 8 pins. It is a double MOSFET in a soap or deep package. This MOSFET and this works the same way, but they are different in their buildings. So now we are going to learn how to test MOSFETs. This is a bad one, a failed MOSFET, and this is a working MOSFET. This is in a good condition. So how we can test these MOSFETs? We can test these MOSFETs with a multimeter, and we position our cursor on the diode mode test. After that, we know that our transistor has a type of NPN. Okay. We know this is the gate, the drain, and the source. The source is commonly connected to the common ground. This is the common ground of the multimeter, and we apply it on the source, and this we can apply it on the drain. If the multimeter beeps like this, this means that our MOSFET is shorted. It is in short circuit. This is not working. It is a bad MOSFET. By the way, let's test this one. This is a MOSFET which is in good condition. This is the source. We apply our common ground of our multimeter, and to the drain we apply this probe. Now you can hear that the multimeter, it is not ringing. This indicates that our MOSFET is not in short circuit, but it is in a blocked mode. So we have tested our MOSFETs. We had noticed that this was a bad MOSFET, but this was a good MOSFET. We conclude that our MOSFETs fails even if they are not showing visual effects of damage. This one, if you look at this one, can say it is in good condition, but it is a failure one, because MOSFETs are the common components that fails such in power supplies or motherships. They are failing from fire or low voltages, and we can test them by using our multimeters if they are not showing visual damages.